Can e-cycles improve rural lives handle tough off-roads? This young farmer from a village with no bus service rides electric cycle 10 kilometers every day. This guy from same village is testing how robust our e-moped really is. Imagine if he used his two-wheeler here, it would only add more burden with fuel costs and maintenance. On the other side, he's testing our e-moped's robustness on terrain where usually only tractors can go. Yet it seems unstoppable. Today, an e-cycle has become a part of his everyday life. We believe that the true success of micromobility innovation is when it reaches and empowers rural communities.